Welcome back to my vid. Okay, the moment I started this game, the game crashed. Good. Okay, since a guy. Okay, wait. And boom, infinite flight. Okay, it's gonna take some time there. So, guys, as you know, the Airbus A321. I don't know. Yeah, today I was watching a Swiss 001 video, which is a YouTuber of planes. He's actually a real life pilot. So pretty much he said that we know the Airbus A320, but the Airbus A321 has a tail strike caution. You know, I always wondered, the Airbus A321, why does it always have a tail strike? Pretty much that is actually kind of true. Okay, how much time are there? So right now we have the Airbus A321, which is if we go to the Airbus A320, it's like this. Yeah. So actually this is kind of small, as you can see over here. So the Airbus A321 is kind of stretch of the Airbus A320, and yeah, let's see if it is actually true or fake or not. We'll see about it. Okay, you're probably wondering, okay, he's my guy. My guy, you are absolutely stupid. This is just a game. No, it's not just a game. You will see how good this game is. It's called Infinite Flight. Now pretty much everyone knows that. You don't know that? Then you are not futuristic. It's taking so much time. So right now we have loaded in the Airbus A321, and they said that inside the cockpit there was some sort of hold up. Okay, first we are gonna take off from this specific airport. Alright, let's put okay, absolutely spectacular. Okay, so now we are gonna take off. Oh, flaps 2. Okay, we are now about to see. Let me tell you one thing. Okay. Alright, guys, let me tell you one thing. If you take off nicely, then maybe you. Okay, if you take off very nicely, then maybe you can't get a tail strike. But if you're a Ryanair pilot, you might get a tail strike. So the problem is solved actually. Now, they also said that while landing, the plane gets a tail strike. So we are gonna check that out right now. Alright. Oh my god. Okay, I can't land in the touchdown zone, but I'll try my best. Okay, we're about to see. Ooh. Okay, we have to go around. So let me just reset. Really, I just missed that point. Oh my god. You know what? Without this thing. Okay. Why is it not working? Okay. I saw this one video which a A321 pilot says that react the flaps to 3. So we are gonna actually try that. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Rest in peace, landing gear. Oh my god, yeah, it got a tail strike. Almost got a tail strike. Okay, how do I fix this problem? I need to think. How do I fix this problem? Okay. Alright. If you land absolutely nicely, like this, the way. Oh god. Yeah. Not a. Yeah, it's a running landing actually. So if you land actually kind of properly, then maybe you can get a tail strike. Okay, never mind. I'm at the end of the runway. So if you actually land the plane properly, then maybe it cannot be a tail strike. Alright, let's check this out. Perfect, absolutely perfect. Like if you land absolutely butter, ooh, nice landing, I'll say. If you land absolutely butter, then maybe you can't get a tail strike. So this problem is actually solved. The main problem was that yeah. So if you see over here, the pilots I think went like this, and then again lift up, and then like they did like this. That's why, because that maybe the reason behind this, like they did like this, and then like, and then the plane bounces. Like let me show you. Like it'll like the plane will go like this. Like absolutely, if you do an absolutely hard landing, and then if you put your yoke like oh god, yeah, it will get a tail strike like this. So that's the main problem. If you don't do a hard landing with a Airbus A321, then maybe it's the problem gonna be solved. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. See you guys in the next video. Bye.